I am so excited to see what's in this package. This is from Planners Anonymous. I asked if they would send over some goodies for me to share with you here on the Planner channel, and they said yes. So here is a couple of collections. This looks like Sweet Art and Pink Lemonade from Planners Anonymous. They make the best designer kits for planning, scrapbooking, bullet journaling. So pretty, and I just love everything from Planners Anonymous. I'm so happy to share these goodies with you. Let's see what's in this package. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this paper is. So pretty. Lemonade, pink lemonade. So there's like scrapbook papers, or you can use them in your planner. Let's separate these out. Look at all the goodies that come with this. So there's a collection of washi tapes. So cute. Love the colors and the fruit. We're going to have to look through all of that. And then what else is in here? Oh, there's more. So which kit is this? This is Sweet Art. So I wonder, okay, so it looks like these papers go with that kit. So let's put that there. And then there's more in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. There's like a whole set of goodies there and a whole set of goodies here. You guys, I'm so excited. Is this Sweet Art too? Oh, this is different. This looks like Sweet Art. Does it say? Sweet Art decorative papers. All right, what is this? Maybe this is something else. Different ones. All right, we have like 2 collections of those papers. And then 3 sticker books, a seasonal sticker book, a celebrate sticker book, and a note to self sticker book. Thank you so much, Planners Anonymous. I am going to have so much fun decorating with all of these goodies. So I'm seeing 5 planner spreads already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at least. So we have lots to play with here. So exciting. I love these collections. Oh my gosh, look how pretty these are. So seasonal sticker book, 742 pieces. I'm not even showing the camera. I'm just excited to see it. So we have like spring, rainy stickers. These are a little bit shiny paper. So you'll need like a permanent marker if you want to write on these. We have numbers, dates. So you can date your planner, weather. So that's all like springtime. Here's our summer 4th of July collection. Really cute. Matching boxes to go with that. Red, white, and blue theme. Our summer tropical vibes. Love. So pretty. Beachy. Seasonal. Fall colors here. September. Our woodland creatures. Thanksgiving. Ooh, so cute with the foil. I love these. I love the fall leaves. Then we have our holiday theme, shopping list, menu planning, and some more monthly date stickers. Was there another one of those in here? Yeah, there was 2. So there's 2 of those. Really cool seasonal sticker book. On the back is about Sammy Gale from Planners Anonymous and where you can learn more about them. Let's check out the Celebrate sticker book here. Then we'll get into the kits. Celebrate sticker book, 683 pieces. Ooh, birthday, party, balloons. I like the big stickers too. Confetti, party time, some washi strips, more balloons, big boxes, letters and numbers, more boxes with really bright gold foil. So pretty. What's next? Note to self. So pretty. This is like planner themed stickers. Oh, let's look at the pages. So this one's 18 pages. They each have 18 pages in them. And they're special edition sticker packs. All right, let's flip through this one. So here's your quotes for like affirmation, things that you completed the day, to be proud of accomplishing things. I love the bright gold foil and this color palette. So pretty. Love it. So, so cute. Do some yoga. I have to do that. Go to spa day. Yes, please. Look how cute. I want to be a sloth, don't you? Some days I just want to be a sloth. I want the slippers. I want the candle. I want those macaroons. Yes. So cute. Boxes. Ooh, bathtubs. That looks good. That's a good idea. Oh, look at our little sloth. He's so cute. We have letters. Ooh, love these sticky notes. Again, you'll probably want to use a permanent marker to write on them because they do have a little bit of a shiny texture to them. Days of the week, like those. Love those hearts with the gold foil. Ooh, these are good. Functional and decorative. Functional/decorative stickers. Look how pretty. Love our little sloth with flowers. Self-care. So this is like a whole self-care theme. Ooh, the flowers. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Self-care checklist. Self-care. La la la. So I have a whole planner that I'm working on right now that is my like self-care, health, wellness, fitness, self-care planner. Yes, we'll be decorating with that one. Let's check out the two collections that they sent. Pink lemonade. You guys, I love this stuff so much. Let's check it out. Pink lemonade. We have washi tapes. So 3, like a large, skinny, and a medium. Really pretty. We need to open these up and swatch them. Maybe not. Maybe I'll wait to do that when we do the spread. I think I'm going to leave these wrapped up for now. Matching pen. So pretty. Love. All right. What is this? Ooh, stamps. Is it a stamp? What is it? Squeeze the day. It's a sticky note. What is that? Oh, it's a pocket. It's a pocket to go in on your page. So you can slide your little, look, it looks like little lemon sticky notes. Oh my gosh, you guys, so cute. Maybe I'll leave the stuff packaged for now, and then we'll look at it when we do our spread. That way I don't like get these everywhere. But look how stinking cute these are. The little die cuts. So, so cute. There's our girl. So I think that's a journaling card or maybe stickers. Oh my gosh, look at these stamps. Really cute. I should have both of these colors in stamp ink. So I'm going to have to get out stamps to make this. Really, really pretty. Love the whole pink lemonade theme. Really cute. I know it's summery, but I live in Florida. It's going to be summer for a couple more months. And this pattern is just, don't you just want to make a pink lemonade? It's so pretty. Maybe we can open these up and look at the papers without making too much of a mess. I could probably get them back in to the sheet. One of the things that I really love how it looks in your planner is paper. When you cut it out into boxes or just strips in your planner. Ooh, this is like a clear plastic page. And you can layer this over your paper. Ooh, look at these papers. They're so fancy. This is, oh, what is that? Vellum? I think it's vellum. Not really a paper expert over here. Here's some good like light cardstock. 2 patterns, so you have the front and the back. You could make these little boxes, make these into boxes, cut them out, and put them in your planner. Love that. And the background, that color, like ink. Oh, this looks stamped already. So pretty. Oh my gosh, these are very pretty. So a couple of sheets of each of those three designs. So pretty. And then the plastic clear one and the vellum pink lemonade. Gorgeous. You guys, this is a whole sticker book. We have to look at that. We have to open this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's a book style sticker book. Love. Look at those washi strips. Ooh, look at the bullet points. Ooh, you can use these for bullet points too. The fruit. So cute. Obsessed. Love. Look at our little girls. These are adorable. I can't wait to do a spread. And then I'm not going to open all the die cuts right now just so that I don't have to chase them around. But look how cute. And more stickers here. All right, so let's look at this collection, Sweet Art. Let's see what's in here. Again, we have a matching pen. So cute. Matching washi. Ooh, that's little macaroons with little gold foil. How cute is that? We have a little tiny hearts, medium heart washi, and the macaroons. Love. That's adorable. Look at this little charm with a donut. I'm so hungry for a donut. I want that. That's so cute. I can't wait to do a planner spread and put that on it. Stamps. I should have some good stamps that'll work for this kind of color palette, which is like pink and neutrals. Love so much. Ooh, look at this like drip of like frosting. Yum. So we have the little macaroons, some whip. Is that caramel drizzle? You guys, really, really cute stamps. Really, really cute stickers. So it's like all sweets and goodies. Oh yeah, it is like caramel drip. Look. Sweets and treats. Yum. Makes me hungry. I love sweets. How sweet is it to be loved by you? Oh, adorable. So this is like a Valentine's. You could use for Valentine's, but you know, there's no rules. You can really use anything you want whenever you want in your planner. So let's open this one up and see the whole sticker book. So we have words. Ooh, look at that gold drip. That is cool. Day off, days of the week, and dates. Functional stickers here. Washi strips, decorative strips, bullet points, decorative stickers. This is a really good collection of everything. Lots of decorative and functional stickers. There's like strawberries, hearts, treats. There's our little girls. Girls and boys. Girls and boys. Hearts and strawberries. Oh, sweethearts. Some little quotes. Adorable. And the sweet shop. Adorable, adorable. Love, love. Okay, and there's more stickers in there, but I'm going to save those for whenever I take this out to do a planner spread. Here's all the die cuts. I wonder how many's in there. Really, okay, look at these. Oh, I love these. I love these little squares with the colors. Planners Anonymous tone. I got it. PA tone. So it shows you the colors in the kit. Look at those little hearts. And all those little die cuts are stickers too. Oh my gosh. I am obsessed. Okay, let's look at the paper. The papers are always so fancy. So these are Sweet Art. Oh, I think they were both Sweet Art papers. So we have florals and strawberries. And they're two-sided, and both sides are so pretty of the papers. Here's your sweet shop, and then like a pretty burgundy, all the macaroons. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. With like a coffee color, a piece of vellum with your heart cookies, and a clear, what is this, acetate? I think it's called acetate, with gold foil hearts. So nice. I'm gonna have to get creative because these are made so you can use them in a scrapbook or your planner. Let me put that collection back in this bag real quick. Okay, so this collection, that one had gold foil. This one has silver. Let's see if the others are the same. Oh, take it back. They were silver on the back, on the front, gold on the front, silver on the back. Okay, so these are they the same? These are different. So we have more to match the collection. Your cookies, your hearts, and we have donuts. And this whole sweets theme here. So extra papers. We'll be able to do a whole bunch of boxes with these or something else. So pretty. Leave a comment down below and tell me which of these 5 collections you want to see in a planner spread first. We have Sweet Art, Pink Lemonade, Note to Self, Celebrate, and Seasonal. As always, check out the description box for links to shop with Planners Anonymous. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoy this video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!